Hey folks, today I will teach you how to set up automatic commenting in Facebook groups, on fan pages or personal Facebook accounts. The platform rules state that each account can only comment a certain number of times per day. I will demonstrate how to optimize this process by using several Facebook accounts. We will employ a software tool to make this happen. This is the program that helps me use many Facebook accounts. I'm using about 100 accounts here. Go to the interaction area. Now go to the management section. Add a script for automatic commenting. Add an action. Here, select the option to spam posts. You will find three options here. First, comment in groups. Second, comment on personal profiles. And third, comment on fan pages. I will use group commenting as an example, which is commenting in groups.
You only need to set up some basic parameters for me. These parameters only need to be configured once, and after that, you should prepare a list of groups where you want to comment. I already have a ready-made list, so I will copy this list of IDs and then paste it into this software. You can also prepare a list of Facebook URLs for me like this. You can copy the Facebook URLs and paste them as well. Once you have the list here, you can configure for me whether you want to like those posts, and then select the reactions you want. Please also prepare the comment content here. For example, I will use the following comment content, and you need to select the multiple lines option. This means that all the lines written here will be treated as part of the same content. If you want to attach an image like I did, please create a folder to save it.
Please show me the image file. For example, I will place an image file like this. I need to copy this image and file and paste it here. Next, I will save the image. Saving the action now. I will choose the action I made. Save it. Pressing the start button to activate the software. When the software is running, I am allowing it to log in with 18 Facebook accounts simultaneously. My accounts will start to perform commenting actions along with the images I want to attach. Here I am using many accounts from different countries. To guarantee safe usage, you can certainly add a proxy for the accounts to function under a secure IP address. These accounts will comment back repeatedly until that's it for what you need. After finishing the comments, this account will jump to the next one to continue. As you can see, the operational environments will keep running continuously and automatically. The accounts will run until the demand is finished. Use it like this. Each account will have varying levels of activity in different groups if you want to set it up. This operation can be entirely automated, and after you finish, you can verify it through the history. If you find this tool useful, I will help you set it up and guide everyone. Hi, see you later.